Question number 226. Which one of the following is an unfinished work of Edmund Spenser? Options: The Faerie Queene, Astrophel, Shepherd's Calendar. Correct work. Option number A, The Faerie Queene. Faerie Queene written by Edmund Spenser in 1590. Next question. The pseudonym used by Edmund Spenser for the Shepherd's Calendar. Options: Jonathan, Edward, Emerteu. So here correct answer option number B, Edward. Shepherd's Calendar. It is written by Edmund Spenser in 1579. It's an epic poetry and first major poetic work. Next question. Which royal dynasty Edmund Spenser celebrates in his epic poem The Faerie Queene? Options: Stuart, Edward and Tudor dynasty. So here correct answer option number C, Tudor dynasty. Next question. Which of the following themes are developed in Finnegan's Wake by James Joyce? Options: married relationship, dreams, the moment of time, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. James Joyce written Finnegan's Wake in 1939. It's based on the genre Manichean style. Next question. Genre of the Midsummer Night's Dream by Shakespeare. Option: comedy, tragicomedy, modern. So here correct answer option number A, it's based on a comedy written in 1595. Next question. Which of the following is not a central theme of Wordsworth poetry? Options: common man, the moment of time, the promises of the technology. So here correct answer option number C is not based on the theme, the promises of technology. Next question. Which writer is most closely associated with the serialized novel? Options: Charles Dickens, Matthew Lewis, William Congreve. So here correct answer option number A, Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens born 1812 and died 1870 and regarded as the greatest novelist of the Victorian era. Next question. With which of the following the term mock epic most closely associated? Options: Pope's Rape of the Lock, Swift, The Modest Proposal, Wordsworth's VR7. So here correct answer option number A, Pope's Rape of the Lock. It's a mock heroic narrative poem written by Alexander Pope and published 1712 and belong to genre Romana clef. Next, which of the following social issues does Dickens confront in A Great Expectations? Options: penal reform, educational reforms, and both A and B. So here correct answer option number C, both A and B. Charles Dickens, Great Expectation, published in 1861. It's belonged to the genre social criticism. And it's the 13th number novel. Next question. In Rape of the Lock, Pope satirizes which of the following social institutions? Options: the government, marriage, organized religion, the all of the above. So here correct answer option number D, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is an alternative name for the Middle Ages? Options: Dark Ages, Age of Reason, Age of Enlightenment. Correct answer option number A, Dark Ages. Dark Ages from the 14th century to until 1470s. Next, Mansfield Park is written by options: George Eliot, Jane Austen, Virginia Woolf. So here correct answer option number B, Jane Austen. It is written by Jane Austen in 1814. It's a third novel and belong to genre fiction. Next, when Rajarao received Padma Vibhushan? Options: 2008, 2007, 2010. So here correct answer option number B, 2007. Next, when was Kanthapura published? Option: 1935, 1938, 1940. So here correct answer Option number B, 1938. Raja Rao belong to genre, it's a fiction. Kanthapur, written by Raja Rao. Next question, who wrote Cat and Shakespeare? Options, Malkraj Anand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan. So here correct answer, option number B, written by Raja Rao. Published in 1965. And main character, Govinda Nair and the Ramakrishnan Pai. Next question, genre of the Cat and the Shakespeare. Options, metaphysical comedy, autobiographical, the political drama. So here correct answer, option number A, metaphysical comedy. Next question, who said the following line? Woman is the earth, air, ether, sound. Woman is the microcosm of the mind. Options, Raja Rao, Khushwant Singh, Malkraj Anand. Correct answer, this said by Raja Rao. Next question, name of Gandhi's biography written by Raja Rao. Options, Gandhi Before India, Gandhi Prisoner of Hope, Great Indian Way, A Life of Mahatma Gandhi. So here correct answer, option number C, The Great Indian Way, A Life of Mahatma Gandhi, published in 1998. Next question, R.K. Narayan's short stories have been compared with which French writer? Option, Albert Camus, Guy de Maupassant, George Sand. So here correct answer, option number B, Guy de Maupassant. It's a famous for his short stories. Next question, when R.K. Narayan got his Sahitya Academy Award? Options, 1958, 1960, 1956. So here correct answer, option number A, 1958 for The Guide. Next, what was the nickname given by his grandmother to Narayan? Option R.K. Kunjappa Shanti. So here correct answer, option number B, Kunchappa. This name given by her grandmother, and she also taught him arithmetic, mythology, classical Indian music and Sanskrit. Next question, who was Narayan's mentor and friend who helped him publishing his initial books? Options, George Orwell, T.S. Eliot, Graham Greene. So a correct answer, option number C, Graham Greene. The Dark Comedy, written in 1938 by R.K. Narayan. It's a third novel written by R.K. Narayan. It's based on the domestic disharmony. Next question, My Dateless Diary is a collection of options, short stories, autobiographical essay, biographical essay. So here correct answer, option number B, autobiographical essays written by R.K. Narayan and published 1960.